Now the problem with air purifiers these days is that there's just too many to choose from. So which one do we choose? Well, out of many, one of the more popular brands is actually Xiaomi. Yep, you heard me right. Xiaomi. Now the company isn't a stranger to making air purifiers or household devices. In fact, Xiaomi has one of the most complete arrays of smart home devices available as of now, as they have everything from smart bulbs, motion sensors, cameras, and of course, air purifiers. So, it's too big to even fit the camera. So is this Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro worthy of a space in your home? Well, here are 4 reasons why you should probably get it. Now the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro stands out from the crowd when it comes to the design. Now instead of a typical fabric or plastic design which we see on almost every purifiers out there, Xiaomi has opted to give a sleek unibody design, and the slender and the long body also allows to fit seamlessly in your space to blend into your furniture accordingly. And the only thing which is a good thing that separates the white unibody is the screen, which is available in front of the air purifier. So personally for me, this build quality and design is perfect when it comes to having a very minimal but a very aesthetically pleasing design. Then the second reason would be the high efficiency filter. Now even with such a simple design, Xiaomi has packed many features into the Smart Air Purifier Pro 4. It comes with a 3-in-1 filtration system consisting of the pre-filter, an activated carbon filter, and Xiaomi's high efficiency filter. Now each of these filters plays a unique role in purifying the air that passes through the filter. Now the pre-filter traps the large particles like dust, cotton fiber, or even Luna's fur. Then Xiaomi's high efficiency filter removes up to 99.97% of microscopic particles. Now these particles could be as small as 0.3 microns. Now that is small enough to capture particles in tobacco smoke or even allergens like pollen. So it does this by combining the mechanical and electrostatic filtration, which works like a negative ion generator. And finally, the carbon filter traps any odor, keeping the air fresh and also very breathable indeed. And with all of that, this makes the high efficiency filter produce a cleaner air with less noise and overall lower energy consumption, since it's more efficient than the conventional HEPA based air purifiers. With the Xiaomi high efficiency filters, the air purifier is able to move more purified air through the filters with less power compared to a HEPA filter's dense design, making it harder to move as more air goes through them. Number 3 would be the large coverage area. Now the Xiaomi Air Purifier Pro 4 is recommended for spaces or a room about 60 meters square, which is close to 646 square feet, and about 8,330 liters of clean air in a minute. Now it has a clean air delivery rate of 500 cubic meters per hour and 185 cubic meters an hour for formaldehyde. And it also works rather silently at noise levels below 33.7 dB. And the good news is that you don't have to guess the air quality, as it comes with a PM2.5 sensor, a PM10 sensor, and a temperature and a humidity sensor. Now you can view all the readings on the OLED touch display on the front as mentioned earlier, where it will show you the air quality at a glance with 4 level indicators: green for clean, yellow for low pollutant levels, orange for moderate levels, and red for high level of pollutants. Then the fourth and the final reason would be the excellent smart home capabilities with the phone's app. Now, like the other smart home appliances, the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier Pro 4 can be controlled and automated on the Xiaomi Mi Home app, and here's where you'll be able to keep track of the filters in the air purifier without worrying only when the filter is being used. Then there are also the estimated remaining days for the filters, to schedule the power on and off, adjust the screen brightness of the OLED screen, child lock, toggle the notification sound, and smart scenes. And similar to other Xiaomi smart home devices, it can be integrated with Google Home and also Amazon Alexa for you to control these appliances using your voice. So yes, that's the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 for you. Yes, one of the many new additions to the smart home ecosystem from Xiaomi. Now I also got the Smart Air Purifier 4 Compact 2 to put in one of my smaller size rooms. As the name suggests, it comes with a compact form factor. So I'm looking to test out further to see how well that performs. And that being said, the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4 Pro. It is a very feature-packed air purifier for its sub 1000 ringgit price point. It does bring a lot in terms of features, and if you're like me who loves to use your voice to control your smart home devices, especially with the integration with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, is surely a big plus. And overall, this minimalistic design air purifier gives it a pleasing aesthetic which is more than welcome.